Back to the channel. Today guys, I'm here with Emil. Emil is bringing some crazy stuff for you guys to learn. This is gonna be amazing, guys. This is a master class on Lula Kebabs, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
It is amazing. You have no idea how good this thing is until you make it. And Emil here is gonna teach us every single detail about that, how to make it, how to put it together, every single step on the way, and you guys are gonna learn everything because you guys deserve it. You guys deserve it. But before doing that, guys, please hook me up and subscribe to the channel. We're putting 2 videos online every week, which is a lot of work, and I know you guys are gonna love it. If you like barbecuing, if you like fun, if you like good experiments, if you like these kind of recipes that are amazing and they've been done for thousands of years, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell, and you will never regret it. With that said, I'm gonna let Emil get over. He's gonna teach us everything because I don't know nothing about this thing, and I'm learning as exactly as you guys are learning right now. So let's get into that.
Okay guys, the first thing you need to know is that we need a lot of onions for this plate. And I'm talking about a lot. If you're making 4 pounds, you need 1 pound of onions. So it's like 25% of the weight of the meat in onions. In the spices department, we're gonna have this beautiful mix. It's gonna be salt, black pepper, thyme, basil, cumin, and coriander. We're gonna mix this with a little bit of olive oil and add it to the onions that we already cut. This is gonna make these onions really soft and really nice, and it's gonna add a little bit of humidity into it. It's gonna be awesome, and we're gonna be adding this to the meat, guys. You'll love it. Something else you need to add into the meat will be fat. You need 25% fat on the meat. So we're talking about if you have 4 pounds, it's going to be 1 pound of fat. In this case, we're using just picanha trims, which is amazing for this thing, and it's going to give it a really nice flavor, and it also adds really good to the lamb. After the fat is added, all you need to do is add your spices with the onions and mix everything together really well. And this one, you're gonna say that we are a little bit too much sophisticated, but this is an easier way to do it, guys. We only have to spend 10 minutes mixing everything up in here, and it's gonna be amazing. The key is to mix everything really well until you can see the strings of the protein coming up. As you can see in this piece of meat, it's not even falling off his hand. We need that meat to be really sticky so it can stick really well to the skewers and it won't fall off when we are cooking this beauty. This is a good one, guys, don't miss it.
You see that? It doesn't fall. That's what will happen. That's what's gonna happen on a stick. It will stay there.
Right there you can see by yourself that this is really sticky. It doesn't even falling off his hands when we put it on the bowl. But let me allow the expert to explain to you what's gonna be the next step.
Put it in the refrigerator and let it stay there for 3-4 hours. This is very thick piece of meat. Big mass, it needs to be chilled. When you put it on the sticks, it has to be very cold, because if it's going to be warm, when you put it in a grill, it's going to fall apart. The first few moments when you put it in a hot coal, that's going to be searing that top layer. From that protein is going to hold it together. When you put the fats there, it's going to make it juicy. The onions will start releasing juice when it becomes hot. So that piece is going to be very flavorful because of the herbs we put there and spices. It's going to be very juicy because we have onions and fats there, and it's going to be looking amazing when it starts searing on a top.
That's the idea, baby.
Yeah.
That's the idea.
We left it in the fridge for about 3 to 4 hours. We let it cool really good, and then we start putting all the skewers together. As you can see, what he does is just make a little bowl with the meat and then put it on the skewer and play with it until everything gets sticking there really well. Everything else that you do to it is just to make it look pretty. Sometimes you see that people squeeze it really well, but in this case, the way they do it in his country, they just make it like that, and let me tell you, it's delicious. Also, for good measurement, we're going to be cooking some veggies. We need those veggies to put them on the grill and let it really cook really well. The grill that he has is a grill that is created specifically for this kind of things, and it's something that allowed the charcoal to get really hot really quick. As you can see, it's just put them in there. We gave it about 2 minutes on each side and the veggies were ready. Now it's time to put our meat and create our Lula Kebabs, which I know are gonna be amazing. You have to see this. Look at the colors. It's just been there for about a minute, and that's what you do. You put it on the fire for about a minute on each of the sides and let it be. Don't worry, don't touch it, don't do anything, because if you start playing with it, it will fall off from the skewer. Also, he adorned the plate in this beautiful way. He put some lettuce and then he put some bread right on top, and we start adding all these beautiful kebabs on it. I can tell you this, man, this is one of the best presentations I've ever seen. It's beautiful, it's amazing, and the mix of the colors, it just brings everything alive on the plate. Look at that, it's beautiful. All it was missing was a little bit of cilantro, and we are adding that right now. That's the only thing missing, and that's the perfect condiment for this beauty. Look at it.
Alright guys, as you can see, Emil prepared a feast for us. I mean, this is too much food, man. What are you gonna do with this thing?
You can eat it a few days.
I'm gonna eat it all.
Or you can call your friends
Man, this is...
and ask them to help you.
Guys, you have to understand the smell on this thing is amazing. I have a little piece already and the flavors are crazy, guys, but this is a completely new experience to me. It's something that I wasn't expecting at all. Look at the presentation, the way they present these plates is amazing. The colors, everything in the it's good. It's incredible, brother. I love it.
I like the way it come out.
So tell me, how do we eat this thing, brother? I don't even know.
You can take it naan bread, lavash.
We're gonna take some naan bread here.
That's lavash. But
Lavash?
Yeah.
All right.
And
Grab one of those
grab one of these.
and make it some naan bread.
Yeah. You can put some tomatoes here. Just a little bit. You can put some onion here.
Oh, those onions, bro.
Pickled onions. Just a little bit of salt.
Oh, brother. And then you want me to put some
You can
of
put
those
some
onions, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, man. It's time to try this thing.
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Wow.
Come up with.
You know it's lamb. It tastes like lamb. But there is no gamey here at all, guys. The flavor is amazing. The cumin flavor come up a lot. And then you have that onions and those tomatoes that complement all that a little strong flavor of the meat. Wrap into this bread. This thing is amazing, brother. I freaking love it. Wow.
Yeah.
Miss Ninja!
Coming!
Come over.
There you go.
Oh, Miss Ninja.
What am I missing here?
Miss Ninja, you're missing good stuff
Oh my God. First of all, this presentation is just absolutely gorgeous.
here. That's off the chart, man. Yeah, I love
Listen,
it.
no need for restaurants. You can join us here.
That's for sure. But
We
Miss
have
Ninja,
plenty left.
we have a little bit of problem. We have to try with naan bread. You want to try by yourself?
Carbs. I'll try by myself because look, they're so kind and nice to me that look at those beautiful vegetables.
That's so beautiful.
Look at the tomatoes. I love it.
All right, I'm gonna cut it.
We need more subscribers like this one, please. They cook for us.
That's awesome.
Oh my God, look at the
You
smell.
gotta try. Oof.
The smell is it's unbelievable, seriously.
I'm going with you. Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Oh wow. This is perfect. All those spices, the cumin. I mean, you can feel the lamb, but it's just like way far over there. I love it. I love it. Good job.
Remember that Messenger is not a lamb fan?
Mm-hmm.
How do you like it?
I love it.
Just by
I
itself,
love
man.
it.
You don't need anything else. This thing is amazing.
This is amazing.
Brother, thank you so much for sharing this thing with us.
Thank you.
It's amazing. We really like it. Thank you.
Yes,
It's
I really
amazing.
enjoy doing it. I really enjoy spending time with you guys, and I enjoy sharing it.
Oh.
Just sharing the experience, sharing the whole experience, eating, talking.
The culture,
Expressing yourself,
Yeah,
yes.
that's amazing, and that's something that I love too. When I do some Cuban food and stuff like that for somebody that never tried before, I have the same feelings. You know, I love for them to try it,
Yeah.
and even if they don't like it, I don't care. I just want them to know what it is and how it tastes and everything. And these guys, this is delicious, brother.
And sisters.
All right, because Emil cooked for us today, we're gonna have him do the shaky,
Shake it.
All right.
Shake it, shake it, shake
honor.
it. That's your honor.
Shaky, yes. Shaky, shaky, shaky.
All right.
That was a good shaky.
That was a good one.
Nobody was injured.
Nobody was thinking. Let's see.
And we have Dale
Wise.
They're wise, bro.
Welcome to our table. And
Dude. What happened, Georgie? Yeah, Dale Bright got it, brother.
look at the feast that you got here, Dale. I mean, we're still eating. We had so much here. This was gorgeous, absolutely delicious. So, Dale, you're a lucky one to be in our chair.
We're gonna have a lot of leftover here, so you come and help us out, please. We need it. And if you run out of all of these things, we're gonna cook some more for you, and you're gonna have a lot of fun. We have the master here, so he's the one that knows how to do this thing. I don't know nothing, but I can call him up. I have his phone number already. He comes and we do it. We make it happen.
Let's do
Mr.
it.
Georgie, what happened? Oh, Mr. Georgie, you want to say hello to Dale too? Hey.
There
Hey,
we
Dale.
go.
That's
My
Mr. Georgie
baby.
right there. All right, guys, that's all for today. Please, if you like it, hit us with the like.
Lots and lots of likes.
If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, I don't know what you're waiting for, because even Emil, which is the master in this thing, the supreme on this thing, he subscribed. I don't know why you haven't subscribed yet. Even Georgie is subscribed.
Yeah, Georgie?
Yeah, he is.
And don't forget to hit the bell so you will be notified every single Tuesdays and Fridays every time we upload our new videos, right?
Oh yeah.
And if you have any question, anything to say about this thing, if you want to learn how to do it, if you have any question on how to make it, because it's delicious,
It is.
you can leave your comments down there, and Emil is going to reply to them.
All right.
So that's all for today, guys, and remember that I love you.
Mwah, we love you.